to check the battery level of your Bluetooth sensors. Step 1. Activate the battery and scan response feature. First, you need to activate this setting via NFC. In your case, it might already have been activated at the time of your order, with the tag set 0 to option. If so, you can skip ahead to step 2. If not, or if you're unsure, you need to activate it manually using NFC. For this, you need an NFC reader, your Bluetooth sensor, and our device manager suite, available for download on our website, link in the description. Once you've got everything ready, connect your equipment and open the software. Be sure to place your tag upside down with the label against the NFC reader. Then, simply follow the on-screen instruction to set the battery and scan response parameter to true. If it was already enabled, there's nothing else to do at this stage. If not, don't forget to write the new settings to your tag. To do this, click the pen icon and follow the video tutorial. Once done, you can close the device manager suite. Step 2. Check the battery level of your Bluetooth sensors. As soon as the option is enabled, the battery voltage information is transmitted in scan response frame with the following formatting. Here's an example using the NRF Connect app and an Android smartphone. First, open the NRF Connect app. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. It will automatically scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Then, find your beacon by its unique ID, printed on the product label. For quicker access, use the search bar. Next, select your tag and view the battery voltage data. Step 3. Here's how to interpret the value. Above 2800, everything's fine. Between 2800 and 2600, keep an eye on it. Below 2600, it's time to replace the battery. If you need to change the battery in your tag, check out our repack offer to give your tag a second life. Thanks for watching. Our team is here if you need help.